Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Wendy. Today I'm going to show you how to make Haitian sauce bean, white rice, and fried chicken. Let's get started. As Haitian, that's how we clean our chicken. We take the skin off. We put vinegar, a little bit salt, lime, and then we clean it. And after that, we boil in water, add vinegar and salt, and after a few minutes, we drop our chicken in the water. After it's boiled for 2 minutes, you take it off and then you add it in a pot, a clean pot, and then you add your seasoning. As you can see, the chicken is in the clean pot. You add your seasoning. The seasoning, I put a little bit vinegar and Maggi and salt, and that you can put bell pepper and parsley in that pot, and then we put it in a pot and then let it cook for 2 or 5 minutes. Okay, my beans is already half cooked, so I add my green onions and coconut oil, and then I let it boil for 5 or 10 minutes. After a few minutes, I check my beans if it's cooked enough so I can blend it. So as you can see, it's cooked. So I'm going to join the water in a clean pot. So where I'm separate the beans from the water. And I let a little bit, if you want to, you can let a little bit of black beans in the pot, or if you don't want, you can take everything in. You can take all of them. And I will take on blender. Some people use blender, so I use a blender and then put. As you can see, I take 2 cups of cooked black beans and 2 cups of water, blend it for 2 minutes or 1 minute until it turns into puree. I drain it, and then you can do all the process the same way. I let it boil. After I add the salt, I let it boil for 10 minutes, and then you can taste it if you need more Maggi. After that, you can add butter or oil, and that's it.